All right, just put on more pressure and go forward in the backboard. Try to just go really fast. Try to go faster. Yep.
I feel like there's more tenderness in my left side than my right.
Okay. Got you.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Is this also the foot that had the issue, right?
Yeah, the left side, yeah.
Okay. All right, good. Now we're gonna get a towel, and we're going to do the elevated towel curl exercise. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you're standing up, and then you're gonna put one of your foot on the towel like this. So this is a towel. You're gonna put your foot like this. Your heel will be up, elevated, and you need to retract all your toes towards your ball of the foot.
My heel's elevated?
Yes. So standing up, put one foot on the towel. One foot on the towel. The whole foot on the towel first. Okay, now lift the heel off a little bit. Yes, all right. And then focus on all your 5 toes and retract them towards your ball of the foot, like you're gripping. Yeah, let's do 50 reps, forcefully.
So I lift up and then squeeze and then go back down?
Right, so you're going to retract all your toes like this.
Yeah.
You're gonna retract all your toes and then you're gonna move them in 50 reps.
Oh, like that, okay.
Yes, try to retract them as powerful as possible towards your ball of the foot. Yep. Level up, you should be able to feel directly in your glutes. That's how responsive your feet to the glutes will be.
Oh, I get like really minor contraction, that's it.
Okay, yeah, that's understandable because average athlete and regular people, especially regular people, they have almost none. So we have to build all the way up. But because you had 8 years, I think you had a lot of training in your belt, so you already have some connection. But our job is to make it much stronger.
Yeah.
To be elite level.
Yeah, exactly. Whatever gets me to the top.
Now on this foot, is the sensation better than the other foot?
It feels weaker, to be honest.
To be weaker, okay.
Yeah. This is very hard.
Yeah, it's not easy. What do you feel right now in your body?
My right glute, so like this side is working its hardest.
Good. Okay, so on a scale 1 to 10, how much glutes do you feel on your balancing leg?
9. No,
9.
10. Oh, no, 9, yeah.
Yeah, slow and steady, slow and steady. Yep. That's why I want you to separate them.
It kept rolling in.
Yeah, it's not easy. Concentrate in your arc. Very good. Very good. Yep. How do you feel?
That was hard.
On a scale 1 to 10, how much sensation do you have on the balancing leg?
In my glutes, like 8.
8? Okay, very good, very good. Now we're going to go to the second exercise we're going to do is the high bar hop. Keep your knee straighter. Almost there. Squeeze and rest. Excellent. How do you feel?
It was definitely hard. Feel my abs contracting halfway through.
The next one we're gonna do is one leg hyperarch. We're gonna be on one leg.
Oh my gosh.
And we're going to do 30 seconds. You can do it. I think you can do it. Just starting 30 seconds.
What was the other one?
We did, well, the two leg we did a minute 30 and 2 minutes.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. And it's good that you feel your abs, you feel posterior chain being activated, which is good. All right, get ready. And start. Good, how do you feel?
That's hard. Feels like all through here.
In your calf, mainly?
Yeah.
Okay.
And probably like a 3 out of 10 in my glutes.
3 out of 10 in the glutes. Okay, no problem. It has to go through the calf first. Once they break through that, it's gonna be better. All right, we're gonna go to the other leg. This one, I think it might be stronger. And rest. Good, how do you feel?
That was hard. Yeah, more contraction in this one. I felt like towards the end I couldn't contract it as much.
Mm-hmm.
It like started coming up my leg a little bit, like up to about here.
In your hamstring. Okay, good.
A little bit up in the top of my glutes, but then the bottom of it wasn't as much. That makes sense.
Yeah. It has to travel up first. Makes perfect sense. Okay, we're gonna do the second set of marbles 20 times again. Almost there, you can do this. And rest. Good, 40 seconds. How do you feel?
It was so hard. The last 10 seconds were like the hardest, I think.
Mm-hmm.
First 20 I was fine, and then it just got a little bit harder every second after that.
Yeah, what do you feel?
Still a lot of calf, but my butt started burning as well.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much glutes do you feel?
4?
4. Okay. Okay. So here is the deal. You are only doing this for 40 seconds, and it's very hard, right? So the elite level athletes can do this pretty much for almost 2 minutes, and it's easy.
Wow.
The 2-leg one that you did before, they can do it 5 minutes. Basically throughout the entire round of the UFC, the 5-minute rounds, they can do it throughout that.
Wow.
So the fascial strength is incredible for elite level athletes. So we have to build it. We have to build it up.
Yeah.
So as you can see that you are feeling, you started feeling your calf, and then as we progress, you started to feel more and more your glutes. Right? So this is the progression that we're going to see as we go through our journey together. Because the mechanism we're trying to trigger is a neurological catalyst.
Yeah.
It will build all these fascial connection and incredible control to your glutes and to your whole body later on. This is what we're building.
Yeah.
All right?
Awesome.
Good. Very good workout. I'm gonna give you a virtual high five right here. I will see you next week.
Okay. See you next week. Oh,
yeah.